The legal industry is experiencing a massive shift right now. While 79% of lawyers are already using AI in some form, most personal injury attorneys are still stuck in the old way of doing things. Most personal injury attorneys are drowning in paperwork while their competitors are using AI to steal their clients. If you're a personal injury attorney who feels like you're working harder than ever, but not seeing the results you deserve, I'm about to reveal 4 AI tactics that successful personal injury lawyers are using right now. The smart attorneys who've embraced these AI tools are seeing incredible results. They're handling more cases with less stress, getting higher settlements, and actually having time for their families again. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement them. The first AI tactic is automated client screening and qualification. Think about how much time you waste every week talking to people who will never become clients. Someone calls about a fender bender with no injuries, or they want to sue their neighbor over a property dispute that has nothing to do with personal injury law. These conversations eat up hours of your day and generate zero revenue. The solution is AI-powered client screening that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Tools like Smith.ai and LawDroid can be set up with custom intake questions that automatically filter out unqualified leads before they ever reach you. The leads that match your ideal client profile get forwarded to you for consultation. The rest get helpful resources and appropriate referrals. This single change can save you 5 to 10 hours per week that you can redirect toward working on your actual cases and growing your practice. The second game-changing tactic is automated medical record analysis. If you've ever spent an entire weekend reviewing hundreds of pages of medical records, you know how soul-crushing this work can be. You're looking for key injury details, treatment timelines, and prognosis information, but it takes forever to find the important stuff buried in all that documentation. AI tools like CaseMark can analyze those same medical records in minutes instead of hours. The AI instantly extracts injury details, creates treatment timelines, and highlights the most relevant information for your demand letters. It can even generate summary reports that make it easy to understand complex medical information. This doesn't just save time, it makes you more thorough because the AI catches details that human eyes might miss. The third AI tactic is AI-generated content marketing. And this is where most attorneys are missing a huge opportunity. Your potential clients are online right now searching for information about their injuries, their rights, and what they should do next. If you're not consistently creating content that answers these questions, they're finding your competitors instead. AI changes this completely. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to generate weekly blog posts about safety tips, legal rights, and common personal injury scenarios. Transform that blog content into social media posts automatically. Create educational videos using AI avatars. The key is consistency. And AI makes it possible to maintain a strong online presence without spending hours every week writing content. This builds trust and authority while keeping you top of mind with potential clients. The fourth and most powerful tactic is AI-powered settlement prediction and negotiation preparation. This is where you can really separate yourself from the competition and dramatically increase your case values. Most attorneys are essentially guessing when they put together demand letters and settlement negotiations. They might look at a few similar cases or rely on their experiences, but they don't have comprehensive data to back up their demands. AI tools like Trellis and Premonition can analyze thousands of similar cases in your jurisdiction and predict settlement ranges with remarkable accuracy. You input your case details and the AI shows you what similar cases have settled for, which judges tend to award higher damages, and which insurance companies are more likely to settle versus go to trial. When you walk into a negotiation with data-packed settlement ranges and comparable case citations, insurance adjusters take you seriously. You're not just just another attorney making demands based on gut feeling. You're presenting scientific analysis that's hard to argue with. This approach can increase your average settlement amounts by 15 to 25%. Most of these tools are designed specifically for lawyers and require minimal technical knowledge. You could start with client screening this week and medical record analysis next month. Implement content marketing over the next quarter and deploy settlement prediction as you get more comfortable with the technology. The attorneys who embrace these tools now will have a massive advantage over those who wait. While your competitors are still doing everything manually, you'll be handling more cases, getting better results, and actually enjoying your practice again. The legal profession is changing faster than ever, and AI is no longer optional for attorneys who want to thrive. The question isn't whether you should use these tools. The question is whether you'll implement them before your competitors do. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate your support. And then share it with any attorneys that you might think would also benefit from the content.